Matthew chapter 24, verse 24. For there shall arise false Christ and false prophet, and shall show great signs and wonders, in so much that if it were possible, they shall deceive the very elect. Remember last week I said to you that life comes from death, and I make my example. Abanye benu bamangal. Kune one engizoyenza ebalekile. I want you to listen to me very carefully. I grew up in a gardener. Then I grew up in a gardener, and my mother was very tough. And my mother was somebody, when she will say something, she will manifest it. And I understand, I'm not boasting. Let me tell you a secret. Do you know Gutilas Fone Sekaya became the first black scientist in South Africa to do wood science? He was at Stellenbosch. Now may your soul rest in peace, mom. Surely 2019. But what I'm trying to say, a car said, Begabegi Kandela, Abegi Kandela, a fichler on farm. Ebusuku midnight time, lasted to Tandazang about 12. I started a candle. CS Colwen, sometimes there was nothing in the tummy. Sometimes you told me, Nomtogo Awuko. I want to tell you reality. Utolugutu tough. We're coming from different homes. Utolugutu Makaya, go tough. Utapega, go nevinika, Aguna Lexingini. You don't know who to Janganisaini. I will not roll on. I will not fascinating. Is that Tulosam? Then Commission Rufia stop. Ugutia at least in Mugeg. Utati fish oil. Ukomise Muswell. Ugutube Mutemantuin. I know that kind of life. But Lalela, we never blame God. Today we are men. We're never scientists. Never Kuluma. Go to Gaman. Why? Because of Jehovah. Something upon me. Make use of your time. Make use of that. Never do things to impress the next person. Because after grade 12, you will realize what is life. Because after grade 12, your friend will be there. Things that you'll face, it will be you. Because you know what? You know, sometimes so painful. We come from different homes. As Fane Makaya. So when you are here, make use of the purpose why you are here. That is why I know what life is. You must never play with an opportunity. Never play with that.